today mga kawala dahil live na live po tayo ngayon para sa isang interview or on-air interview. Ayan. Say hi naman sa ating mga kawild, mga local artists.
Hi mga kawild!
Hi everyone!
Mayong hapon mga kawild! What? Cute lang. Yes, may hapon.
Sige, magpaila-ila daw tayo. Kasi pangalan niyo mo, ma'am?
Hi everyone! Ako si Diane Caminada from Dico City and ako ang nagsulat sa Mayra So Good.
Mayra So Good. So what was the song all about, ma'am? Or so may pinaghuhugutan ani na song?
It's very hugot kay about na siya sa experience sa isa ka babae sa mga guys nga maayo lang, mga intro boys.
Intro boys.
Yes.
Title pala daan, Mayra So Good. Oo, ayan. So,
what is up?
Same question gihapon.
Yes.
What was the song all about? Or so may pinaghuhugutan ni mo ani na song?
What is up? My name is GN Lovelace, Gikang Davao City, and ako ang track is First Date, which is just about my first date.
Wow!
Like, first date.
Ayan. So, nadunggan yung kaganina mga kawal na first date to siya. Oo. Iyaha to na song. So may pinaghuhugutan ni mo ana mga kuan Mr. Lovelace.
Kuan. About lang din. About lang din sa kang first date na mo sa kong kuan uyab na.
Pwede niyo i-shout out yung lobby.
Shout out.
Wow.
Desire. Shout outs to Desire.
Hi, hello everyone. I am Praise Varian from Davao City and my artist name is Praisey and my song was entitled Blue. And ang inspiration ng song ko po, aside sa color hair ko is blue.
Yes,
favorite
color hair
color.
niya blue. So ang color hair po di mama yani kay kuan kay pula. So kulang na lang yung yellow para flag ng Pilipinas.
So the inspiration behind the song Blue is about blue being the calmness na ma-feel natin sa life natin, but at the same time may contrast siya kasi as the song progresses, yung blue parang sadness na siya. So parang in love, there's happy moments, meron ding sad moments. So parang reality in love lang siya.
Much and please support us and kita-kits sa August 17.
Wow!
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Hulmin Pop Committee din po.
Yes.
Thank you, Min Pop. Thank you, Ma'am Ian.
Salamat kayo.
Ayan, thank you so much once again. Tune in still with 92.3 Wild FM. We're still with DJ Ket Kat, Talapag Wild.
Hello, Wild. The one! The one!
Thanks everyone. Okay, so again, Min Pop, and then today, si Sir Paulo, si Evarista, okay, si Cacho Ferrero, ito ang first piece, okay, piano, okay, Richard Delejero, ito ang second, mismo itong arranger sa ito ang kapela galing sa 2022, K-pop, ito ang Bingi Dulay, okay, si Cacho karon sa arranger kay Gacus, kanya si Sir Pao, kay Marvin, kanya si Paulo Franco, kay Pilar. Okay? Okay, tapos si Tawe, si Mark Coronado, siya mong gari gawing chairs. Of God 69. Tapos si Roy Salgado, wala pang drummer na to. Okay? At yung mga backup singers, si Jets sa Lia, wala si Jets, tapos puro ko, wala siya, si Jasper, sa P-Square, Big, itong sa Nagpapit ng Kapela, kanya si Alex sa Victory. Okay? So sila ito ang backup vocals. Okay?
So, may mag-distribute ni o inyong gifts from Minpop. So, as
Bunot na.
Sa letter, so, naka...
Di ako comienza a
guys, I look so haggard or dehydrated. But yeah, kita na may kaganihan, nag-abot-abot mi sa mga finalists. It was such a great experience meeting everybody. And mura na po may mga kaila na in real life. And how kayo sila, na-practice mi sa band. Excited ako to perform live nga madunggan taupan. And yeah, I'm just grateful with this experience. And yeah, let's see unsa pa ang mga hugyaw. Let's see unsa pa mga events. Bye! Hi everyone!
Good morning. Today is the day. Pag sound check meron niya. Yan, kahapon start ang event. So, kita-kits.
So, mula ko na meron mag-anton may sa venue kaya mag-sound check. And muna yung aura. Kalat kaya ako. Muna yung nasa akong window. Marigit lang. Tada! Muna ako ang top later.
Toilet.
Close this. Sorry. Oh my gosh, my god, electric fan. Oh, bad habits. Ed Sheeran. Ed Sheeran, di ako shirt. Di maklaro. OOT. Let's go. Hi guys.
Mali!
Hi everyone! I'm with the Morph! Ang pinakakusog na the Morph! Pang compile. Hi guys, na ako with Sir Claude nila na ako.
Oh, she's like vlogging for you. Not like vlogging.
Oh, you can take over.
Oh, I'm taking over. I'm taking. Yeah.
Nag-grant na gid iyang wish, guys. I-interview na siya.
Shoutouts. You're taking over.
With Mr. Del Siopaw. Asa na ang Siopaw?
Wala pa. Ihanog mag-out lagi daw.
Let's go.
Sa ibong mata
Congratulations, Praise Brian, for Best Arranger. We have the song title, Mayra Sugo. Michelle F. Combinade.
And of course, the arranger will win 10,000 pesos in cash. Arranger po natin. Ayan.
Wow.
Congratulations
Hi, sir.
to you.
Congratulations.
For the son.
Congratulations to the winners of our special awards, Mayra Sugod and Blue.
Ako'y kinakabahan. My good.
Gakos by Steven Gustav.
Na ay kagakos.
Congratulations to our second runner-up. Grabe, exciting kayo ni, I'm sure. Biliete by Florence.
Congratulations.
Wow, congratulations to Praise Brian.
We'd like to
Yes. Dapat ka ng awal ang mga